Hey, Remax Fine Properties agent, this is really crazy, but I didn't even know about this till recently. A lot of you have heard about the gig economy. So I always thought the gig economy meant like 5G networks and that type of stuff, but that's not what it is at all. The gig economy is what is your side gig. So I ran into Shannon the other day and she started a side gig. It's a website for pre-open house. And tell us about that.
Yes, we are the first open house platform with all open houses directly marketed to the consumer. We have every open house that is on the MLS directly to the consumer. Remax is now a premium member, so every agent within Remax Fine Properties has an upgraded membership for free for the entire month of September.
Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
And I noticed your shirt there.
Yes, pre-open house, 3 words. All of the open houses that you have entered into the MLS will be on our website and our mobile app this weekend. We are driving consumers to your open houses. If they find them online and they want to contact you, you have to download the app, because if they contact you, you will not know that you're getting a message if you don't have the app downloaded. So, and it costs nothing to download it, especially for Remax Fine Properties.
Guys, this is a game changer. So Shannon spent about the last 3 years perfecting this. They'll all be branded to you.
Yep.
When an agent's doing an open house for you, it'll be branded to that agent so they can take the calls. But as soon as that open house is done, it's right back to you. So it's a different, it puts your listing on additional steroids.
It does. And you can also put coming soon and off-market properties on our app as well. And we have a couple agents in the office who have already taken advantage of that. So you can put it on there and you will get all the traffic from a house that is not on the market yet. So we are the first platform that allows you to hold an open house on a property not listed yet. Nice. Great way, with as hot as our market is right now, you could actually get a buyer for your house before you even have to take pictures. So.
Hey, so now you guys know Shannon's side gig. Hey, this is going to go in your box, and attached to this video is going to be a simple deal that you can attach to and go right to the pre-open house information. So thank you very much, and Shannon, good job on the side gig.
Thank you.
Yeah.